Hello my YouTube fam and welcome to another video. We are folding laundry today, yay! I think this is the most exciting video I have made to date. Well, not really, but I will talk to you guys and play some music to make it a little bit more exciting, and I've got a little cutie pie next to me playing with some Play-Doh, and that's kind of funny as it goes along too. So I know what you mums out there are thinking, fresh clean clothes and Play-Doh. Well, no, there are no horror stories in this. Spoiler alert. Basically, it's keeping him happy and from pulling my clean, nicely folded washing off the table and onto the floor, so I'm going to allow it under supervision. Let's put some music on for a bit and I will give you some more commentary soon. I don't know where all these odd socks keep coming from, but maybe we'll find some mates to them. This one here has got to go. My son has got so many good pairs of socks, but he'll wear the ones with holes in them. There's no stopping him. Reminder, guys, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. If you haven't had enough today, pause the video and go and get some, or even leave it running. I'll try not to do anything too interesting, especially those of you who are going through winter at the moment, because it's so easy to remember to drink water when it's hot. In winter, not so much. So make sure you are having plenty. It's good for you. Washing's all folded and put away. Now, what is it like trying to vacuum the floor with a toddler who wants to help? Very slow. I'm not speeding this up or slowing it down. I'm just going to leave it at normal speed, and you can see once the hand goes on the vacuum cleaner how slow we end up going. Yep. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button if you aren't already part of my family, and I will be around soon with more exciting videos. See you soon. Thanks for watching.